Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Our Math World. Today we are going to learn the topic addition and subtraction of integers. In the previous video, we already learned how to do addition and subtraction of integers. Today we'll do some advanced problems on this topic. Let's get started. Here I am taking a question. The water level in a well was 20 meters below ground level. During the rainy season, the rainwater collected in different water tanks was drained into the well, and the water level rises 5 meters above the previous level. The wall of the well is 1 meter 20 centimeters high and a pulley is fixed at a height of 80 centimeters. Raghu wants to draw water from the well. The minimum length of the rope that he can use is the question. So here let's analyze the question sentence by sentence. What is the first line of the question? The water level in a well was 20 meters below the ground level. So first let's draw a line indicating the ground level. So let's assume this is the ground level. Now they are saying the water level in the well was 20 meters below ground level. So it was 20 meters. That means the water level will be over here. It is 20 meters below the ground level. And during the rainy season, rainwater collected in different water tanks was drained into the well, and the water level rises 5 meters above the previous level. So here when they collected the rainwater, they drained into the well. The whole water was drained into the well. So how much the water level raised? It raised to 5 meters above the previous level. So this was the previous level where the water was, right? So it raised 5 meters above it. Previously it was 20 meters. Now it raised 15 meters. So what will be where the level of the water will be from ground? From ground it was previously 20 meters. Now it raised 5 meters above the previous level. So that means instead of 20 meters it will be 20 meters minus 5 meters. So it will be 15 meters from the ground level. So now the water level is 15 meters down the ground level. This is our ground level, right? Now let's go to this other part of the question. The wall of the well is 1 meter 20 centimeters high. The wall of the, if you can see in the picture, see this is the well, and the wall of the well is, the height of this wall of the well is 1 meter 20 centimeters. So the wall of the well is 1 meter 20 centimeters. Now pulley is fixed at a height of 80 centimeters. If you can see, it is 80 centimeters. That means from here it is 80 centimeters. So from the ground level, what is the height of this pulley? 1 meter 20 centimeters. 1 meter 20 centimeters plus 80 centimeters. Sorry, this is 80 centimeters, not meters. So what will be the total height of the pulley from the ground level? It is nothing but 20 centimeters plus 80 centimeters is nothing but 1 meter. That is 100 centimeter. 100 centimeter is nothing but 1 meter. 1 meter plus 1 meter gives you 2 meters. So the total height of the pulley from ground level is 2 meters. This is how we have to solve the problem step by step. And now Raghu wants to draw water from the well. Actually, the water is over here. This is the old height of the water level from the ground. This is the new height of the water level. So this is where the water is. Okay. So now Raghu wants to draw water from the well. The minimum length of the rope he can use is, what should be the minimum length so that he can pull some water from the well? To know that, we have to calculate the total distance of the water from this pulley. From here to here, we have to calculate the length so that we can decide the minimum length of the rope to pull the water from the well. Let's calculate it. From pulley to ground level, it was 2 meters, right? And from ground level to the water level is 15 meters. So the total length of the rope should be, the minimum length of the rope should be 15 plus 2 meters is 17 meters. If the length of the rope is minimum 17 meters, there is a possibility of getting the water from the well. So this is how we have to analyze the question and we have to reach to the answer. Now let's try next question. Simplify this expression. So always you have to start solving the numbers under this line. So let's start doing it. So it is 80 plus 7. What is 80 plus 7? 150. Now our next, let's write it down. 2550 minus 510 minus 270 minus 90 minus 150. Okay. Now what is 90 minus 150? It is negative 60. So 510 minus 270 minus negative 60. Positive and negative is always subtraction. So that is nothing but negative 60. Why it is negative 60 instead of positive 60? Because the greater number here has a negative sign. So always the answer will take the sign of the greater number, which is nothing but negative 60. Now let's solve this. So negative and negative becomes positive. So it's not, you have to write each and every step very clearly and neatly. In this kind of expressions, it's very important to make your work very neat so that you won't miss any step. Now negative and negative becomes positive. So our next step would be adding 270 and 60, which is nothing but 330. Now let's subtract 510 minus 330, which is nothing but 180. Now 2550 minus 180 is nothing but 2370. This is how we will get to the expression. Always try to make your work very neat. Do not make it messy so that you will get the right answer. So this is all about today's class. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please share this video with your friends and please do subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.